That's a bit hot. Hi guys, this is a spontaneous video I'm making. So here we go, my one pot meal. Make it look nice. Today has been a great day. I was down in Brixton recording my album. The song I recorded today is called Breaking the Rules. And now I'm home from Brixton. I'm absolutely starving. So what I thought I'd do is just do one of my little cook-ups. My mum calls it a little cook-up. It's late as well, so I don't want to eat too much heavy things. On an average night, I just fling everything together. And also I try not to eat too much carbs because I'm really trying to hold it all in, get things nice and slim. So here we go, my one pot meal. I'm not going to use any oil. I'm cooking onions, peppers and garlic with just water. So that's a bit hot. So here we are. We've got carrots, we've got ginger, we've got peppers, and we're going to use some butter beans as well. Yeah, we're going to let that sweat out. I'm going to add some garlic. I would do fresh, but I'm starving. Add fresh if you've got the time. Turmeric, which is fantastic. Season all. And then I'm going to add some herbs in a minute. Yeah, mix all that in. Turmeric is really good for you guys. Whenever you can, try and cook with it. So remember guys, this is a one pot thing, so already I've added in some thyme, and I'm going to add loads of mixed herbs. There we go. And I'm going to mix that. Flavour. Yeah. As you can see, it's softening nicely. So now I'm going to add some mushrooms to my one pot. And there are the mushrooms doing their thing. There's the butter beans. You could smell this, it smells gorgeous. So here is this Cavollo British black kale. And look how nice this one pot is looking. It's looking real nice. Now I'm going to add some coconut milk and we're nearly there. So here I am adding the coconut milk. So we're going to cook that through for another 5 minutes. Guys, I think my one pot is ready. So what I've done is I've made a tomato and cucumber salad with some homemade dressing. And here it is guys, my one pot. Isn't it looking so good? New videos every Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe.